Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive into key market insights. Start with S&P 500 on a weekly time frame today. Very interesting stuff happening on weekly time frame. First, look at the RSI. It's overbought. Market on weekly time frame is overbought right here if you look at the RSI. Second thing, we are looking for the death cross moving forward. Volume is fading. So from the dark green to this light green candle has started means the volume is fading. The buyer is fading at this point. Second, moving forward in few days down the line, there will be a death cross like this one, and then the market will tank. Another thing, what we are looking at a weekly time frame, we are looking at this brown line, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, right here. Sorry. So what we are looking at this trend line on the top, which is also work as a resistance on a weekly time frame. And this point, if you look at right here, if I expand it for you, there is a very tiny gap left before it reaches the trend line right here, and which perfectly aligned with our price target between 635 to 639. The market has to pull back in this area, a rejection right here. So this is what you'll be watching. We're starting today. We will be start going cash in hand where possible. All the profitable position will be closing, and then we'll focus on scalping. We are not looking to hold any long position now. Wherever we possibly can, we will start exit from today. Okay, so this is S&P 500. We are reaching to the top. Market is almost there where the market has to pull back. How much it has to pull back, this is what you need to look at. So if you look at the Fibonacci retracement of this entire bull run, which started on 7th of April, this bull run, which has been continuously going up, has to give you a retracement, means market has to consolidate this bull run. So retracement comes around first price target 575, this previous low right here. Okay, 575, worst case 554. Market will not drop below 554. So it's not going to happen. There is no major crash. And I'm also not looking for a V-shaped crash and recovery like this one. So because this generally happens once in a year, it's a very tricky situation. Market will not give you a repeated behavior in a same pattern. So what we are looking at, we are looking for a slow decline from here. From 639, 635 area, a slow decline downward, and then the market will enter the next bull market. Okay, now moving forward to MSTR, we'll switch to the daily time frame. Right here. All right. So what we are looking at, the price once we were trading at 254 area, we knew it is going to 470.58 something. This area we have almost, we did not hit the price target. We were very close. Okay. It did not go to 470. So now what we are looking at, we are looking for the retracement towards 402 and 394. So that area, which if you look at right now is trading at 423. So there is a little bit more downside on this one. Around $400 is good to buy for the next bull run. This is right here if you look at. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 5 at 470 were completed. So now this is wave 1. Then there will be recovery again towards 475 and then drop in further. Okay, it will never drop below 358, 360 area. That's the max bottom it can drop. But if you're looking at opening a position, I would say this is not the right buy point. You should wait for a little more. Around 398, 395 area, that's a good buy on this one. So another like 5% drop and then you can buy. Okay, if you're holding a position, then continue holding. You should not close your position at loss. If you are at loss, like if you are someone who bought it at the top, then continue holding your position. After the retracement, double down around under $400, double down your position and continue wait for recovery. Moving forward to ISRG, very interesting trade. All right, so now trading at 570, we took the entry. We knew this will tank right here when it was trading at 549, 550 area. Right here, if you look at which date, this date, 10th of July, I tweeted, ISRG will report earnings on 22nd of July after the market close and tagged as bearish. Stock will move 6.7%. Precise drop 6.7%. We got the entry at 490 yesterday. We took the exit at 412 right away within few hours. Okay, we took the exit. We took that trade from 490 to 512. Reason being because the drop happened after the market close, and we cannot trade options. So what was the alternate? In and out quick for $22, which is 4.58% return within like I think 1 hour. So we in and out now because the market is open and stock is recovering. earnings were beat and the guidance was strong. So now we will be continue trading this one. That trade of 490 to 512.20, we wanted to capture that out of hours, and we did that precisely 5% within 1 hour. And now we'll continue trading it as a normal stock. So because we are mainly the option trader, so we don't want to miss the trade. So that's why we took the trade at 490 and right 512 we were out. ISRG stock is bullish continuously. Now we are looking at breakout of this bull flag. So continue this one, 200 EMA rejection right here. So this drop was a 200 EMA rejection. This rejection of 200 EMA, this black line right here, was the confirmation the stock will bounce upward now. So now the stock is bullish, and any pullback happens at the market open, that's a different story. Okay, just now let's say market open and suddenly 1%, 2% drop. You should capture that the breakdown. Overall stock is bullish. You can look towards 550 area. And if you want to know the precise price target, I can give you that one, ISRG. All right, if you are looking at precise point to exit. So the first price target will be 574, right here, 574.21, and the top target will be 712.41. So 712.41, you are good to trade this stock. Nothing to worry about. If you are in a position, or if someone who bought it at high or previously holding position at loss, continue holding. Do not exit your position. We are starting wave 3 right here. So this will be right here. We are starting. So this was the lower point. If I draw the line for you, this was the lower point right here. The second time we did not touch this right in this area. So this was the lowest. We get the positive angle right here. So in the wave calculation, what we are looking at, this is wave 1 right here, wave 1, wave 2, and this is what you are looking at, wave 3 right here, 574.11. Then you'll be looking at wave 4 right here, and then wave 5 straight into 600 area. Stock is bullish, good stock to invest, good point to buy and hold at 200 EMA rejection. Perfect stock right here. Okay, moving forward to bull. We bought it right here in this area, 1254. We took the exit around 15.53. Stock is continue bullish. This stock will go crazy. People have no idea. I will not give you the precise price target because that's exclusive for the Discord member on this one. But let me tell you, if you are watching this, keep this eye on this price, which was 79. We will take down this price very soon. So 79 is en route coming. It's not 79, it's going much higher. Generally, what happens when you have such a ridiculous price target? Right now, stock was trading at some 1070. We bought it at 1254. We sold at 15. Again, we will continue trading, and then the price target is above $100. A lot of people will say, "Oh, what kind of crap is this? It's never going to $100. It's not going to happen." Yes, it's going to happen. That's why I did not give you the price target precisely on bull. This stock is going above $100. This was wave 1. Okay, let me tell you what's going on here. So this was wave 1 when the stock started trading. Okay, this marked the wave 1 right here, wave 1, and right here it was wave 2, and now you are in wave 3. Okay, so it has already started. It's not that it's straight going to $100 or wherever, but it will have a multiple pullback. But overall, good stock to buy. Every dip must be bought. Okay, every time you see 4 or 5% drop, you are in the trade. Every time it's like scalping 4 to 5% continuously all the way unless we take down this point. Okay, very good position in this stock right here. We'll continue trading. We are not going to give up this trade easily. Okay. Moving forward to GameStop, we are in the position. We are continue holding. We are bullish on this one. We have a clear breakout right here. Price is above 9 EMA. Bullish TEMA. We have a golden cross. We have RSI positive. Stock is bullish. We are looking for 2471 first price target, and we are looking for around 35 area next. So we will be holding this one. We'll do the diamond hand on this one. We are not looking for scalping or trading. Okay, we'll continue holding this one. Sooner or later, this will break out. Like this kind of breakout, like quick jump. That's the point we want to hold the stock. So we'll be holding around unless we make a solid profit. Okay, so 3581, keep an eye on this one. 3581 previous high at this point. So at least we are holding for this one at the equal high. We'll continue holding. First price target, we are looking for 2471, which is almost close right now, trading at 2439. As soon as we hit 2471, we'll start the covered call on this one. Till then, we are uncovered and we'll continue holding our position. Moving forward to Oscar, another very good stock, which I like personally trading, and I have been trading this one. We caught the entry right here, $13 and something. We bought it at 1354 or 1358 something. We made money. We closed the position at least 2 times in the last 3 days. So every dip right here, we are looking to buy. We are looking for 18.11. If you are looking at on MACD, we are looking at the golden cross right here. This will go like this. RSI is started recovering. It was oversold at this point, then now it's recovering. Still bearish, but it's recovering. So the RSI recovering and continue to be the bullish when this golden cross happens on the MACD. Price is on the lower bottom of the channel, as well as where the 25 million share were purchased. Right here, okay, 2.5 million on the institution side order block right in this area. So this kind of buy order, when you see from the institution at 1286, that gives you the confirmation of the bottom. Also, there was a gap to fill, which previously people didn't realize. There was a gap right here in this area. You see this right here. So the market was able to hold this one. Also, the bottom of the channel right here. If you look at, there is something interesting factor. What was going on now? What we are looking at? We are looking at this gap to fill. This one right here. The market has left the gap, this area. So this is what we are looking at. So first price target 18.11, second price target 32 on this one. Okay, the first price target 18. We'll be trading until 18.11, and then we will decide whether we want to continue or not. But 18.11, we are in the trade. Okay, moving forward to DJT, we are continue holding our position. We are almost at break even. It's trading at $20. Our buy was some 21.58, but we have sold the cover call for $22 with $1 premium. So we are at break even. For 22nd, we should be out of this trade. Okay, the call will be assigned to us and our share will be gone. So we'll continue holding the share with the covered call. 22, our share will be sold with profit, and we are out of the trade. Moving forward to Mara. Mara has $850 million private convertible note offering, which will be closed within 13 days from today. So you need to know that. What's the market cap of Mara is around $7 billion. $850 make it around 8% of the 7 to 8% of the total market cap. So what we are looking at from approximately 8% drop in the stock right here. So 8% drop, 13 days. Next 13 days, you will see Mara being sidelined to bearish. The stock will continue dropping. Okay, what will happen after that? As soon as the convertible note closed, the stock will start recovering. And convertible private offering is good for retail investors. That first thing you need to understand. This is not public offering at the money, which kills the stock. Private convertible note offering is good for retail investor, means the company is raising more money from the institution so that they have a more healthy the balance sheet. So whenever you see any company offering private convertible note, you should buy that company after the drop. Okay, same thing is happening with the MSTR. MSTR stock is dropping a little bit because they are continuing launching the new ticker and raising more money through the perpetual convertible notes. But that's not affecting in retail investor in any possible way. Means company is raising more money. More money means they will buy more Bitcoin. They will buy more Bitcoin means their balance sheet and the profit will increase. More profit will increase, the stock price will be higher. Okay. So whenever you see the institution offering, exclusive institution offering, you should be buying those stock. Because how do you see the stock? Means a retail investor is buying the stock on one side. Second point, institution is buying that stock privately, and convertible note are always like for 4 year, 5 year, 10 years, the maturity of the convertible notes. So kind of that build the trust of institution and the retail investor in the company that yes, this company has a solid foundation. I'm buying a convertible note and company will last for another 5 years. So that gives you the confidence to invest more money in. So company like Mara, any dip around 8% dip, you should buy the stock. Moving forward to Tesla. What we are looking at, very interesting. Today we have the earning. Okay, as long as we hold to 291, the stock was bullish, but we have reached in a very dangerous zone. Okay, very difficult to say. I'll be watching the today's candle right here. We got the undecided candle right here. I was not expecting this candle to be here. The price is at POC line, the red line, this one, the point of control line. Candle is undecided. This spinning candle is non-directional. So this is such a critical area where the price has reached and stabilized itself right before the earning. Trust me, looking at the chart, no one in the world today can say that whether it will break out upside or downside. It's that kind of situation. If we would have been at this candle, the stock was bullish. But this particular candle, very undecided. So what we'll be doing, we'll be monitoring today on the institution buy on the dark pool, whales buy on the dark pool, as well as option data and the floor trade, what the New York Stock Exchange floor trade will be opening today. So by 3 o'clock or 2:30, 3 o'clock, we'll have a more clear of this candle that what will happen. We'll be monitoring the option data today and the dark pool buy today. So right now, very unclear, but I can give you both the price target. If you're looking at upside, I'm looking for, let me give you. Okay, so here we go. Pre-market analysis. I have also posted the in the pre-market analysis. So upside, I'm looking for 354.82. So if we break out upside, we are going for 354.82. If we break out downside, we are looking for 309.40. So approximately $23 upside we have and around $21 downside we have. So this is the bracket we need to monitor. What we'll be doing, I'll be posting about the earning precisely, whether it's a bearish or bullish around 2:30 most likely, because right now this candle doesn't give me any direction. Overall, stock is bullish because we are in a symmetrical triangle. This is the base of the flag and then symmetrical triangle. But price is within the symmetrical triangle, sitting at the point of control line, and there is no clear candle right here. So I need more data to scan today. We'll be monitoring today's data, and then we'll have more clarity on this one. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin. 100 again bullish. It's heading on a 9 EM, and then we'll see the correction in this one. So right now we are bullish as long as it maintains the 9 EMA. Okay, moving forward to ALGO. ALGO has given you the nice correction right here. We are in the ALGO. We are holding a large position. We'll continue buying this one. We'll continue buying this position right here. So what we are looking at, we'll hold our position. We are looking to double our position into 0.70. First price target will be 0.62. Then we'll be holding for 0.70. So we are not taking any exit on the Algorand before 70. So continue holding your position. Keep buying. Any drop is an opportunity right here. Okay. On Algorand. Algorand has more money to make than Cardano right here. Cardano, we did a trade from 0.51 to 0.68, and then we traded like hell for like 20 times for 2 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents. We were scalping after 68. We have made a profit on Cardano. But right now, if you look at it, we compare Cardano and Algorand. Algorand has more upside than the Cardano itself. Okay. We do not have a position in Bitcoin. All across, if you look at the crypto is red today, and this was the well-awaited correction we were waiting for. When you go to 30-minute time frame, right here, everything was overbought, and I posted in group here, right here. If you look at, everything was overbought, irrespective of the crypto, they were overbought. So they have to go through a pullback right here. We were right here. Everything was overbought. RSI was flying over 80, almost every single crypto, without exception. So this correction which happened today was very much needed, and we got the entry now. Now we are reaching to the oversold position. Good to hook up on any crypto that you're looking for. Most likely ADA is my favorite. So not Algorand is my favorite here. Also the another one is the ICP. We got our order filled. We had a limit order at 580. This is what we were looking at to buy. So perfect entry again, 576 right now. We'll be holding our position. The ICP Internet Computer will be holding for 722. Algorand will be holding for 0.70. Bitcoin this year is going to $139,000 and $171,000. Downside $98,000. So if you see the Bitcoin around $98,000, don't be scared. Jump in right away, because that's the bottom. So what will happen? What crypto will go through? The crypto will throw the visitor off the train before the next bull run. And that's what's going to happen. Institutions are buying with both hands, and they want retail investors to be out as much as possible, because retail investors generally follow like 5%, 7%, 10% stop loss. And that's what the liquidity grab system, how it works. So there is a definitely liquidity grab, and then the market will push higher. So I'm in Algorand, big time, this and ICP. These are the two crypto that we are trading. Any correction in the Solana, we'll be buying this one. We took the position around 142.84. We took the exit around 186 and 170 area. So there were two exits, 170 and 186. We are out of Solana now. We are waiting for the correction. A little bit more correction, we'll start buying. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Someone asked for TAN. I think TAN, is that something here? What was the ticker symbol? It's 3x bull of small cap. Okay, I don't know what was the ticker symbol, but I'll just cover. I saw the chart. So what we are looking at, we are looking for another 5 to 7% on. It was 3x bull on small cap. I don't remember what was the ticker symbol. So there is another 5 to 7% upside, and then around 39 area you should exit. And after that, we are looking for a correction. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord with more precise detail on Tesla, Oscar, Bull, and another stock we are trading is Oscar, Tesla, Bull. What other we are trading? ISRG today. So these four ticker will be in center of our trading today. Thanks. Bye.